Meaning of flying doctor.
Flying doctor.
Flying doctor.
Flying doctor.
Flying doctor. A flying doctor is a medical professional who provides healthcare services in remote or rural areas, usually by traveling in small aircraft to reach patients who would otherwise have little access to medical care. These doctors often work in emergency situations and may provide primary care, trauma stabilization, and transport services for critically ill patients. By offering medical support in hard-to-reach locations, flying doctors can save lives and improve health outcomes for rural communities. Their work requires specialized skills and training to operate in challenging environments, making them an essential part of the healthcare system in many countries.